Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics that let Airdrop show your Mac correctly. First, check system settings about this Mac for updates. An outdated Mac OS can hide options. Next, make sure you're signed into Apple ID and iCloud. Airdrop uses that identity. Once done, open System Settings, then General and select Airdrop, or open Finder and choose Go Airdrop. This puts you at the control panel where you'll change the visible name. Now you change the actual computer name that Airdrop broadcasts. You go to System Settings General About and click the name field to edit. This is the source of your Airdrop identity. Use a short, clear name so contacts can recognize you, and avoid odd punctuation that might cause visibility issues. After you press Enter, the system saves the new name. Make sure to restart Finder or sign out and back in if Airdrop still shows the old name. Finally, verify that Airdrop shows your updated name by opening Finder Airdrop and watching how nearby devices list you. If the name didn't update, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi off and on, or change Airdrop receiving between contacts only and everyone to force a refresh. Make sure your contacts entry matches if you use contacts only. If problems persist, sign out and back into Apple ID or reboot the Mac. That typically clears cached names and completes the change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.